Hello everyone, welcome to Digital Skilling course.
A chart is a tool you can use in Excel to communicate data graphically. In this video, let us learn how to insert charts and modify them to depict our data. In this sheet, we have details of students enrolled in courses and registered for exams for few years. Let's start creating charts with this data. Select the cell ranges in which we have our data. Go to Insert, choose Chart, I am selecting this chart for now. We can see that data has been created with a chart. The year details have been mentioned below the bar. Students enrolled data every year has been displayed by the blue colored bar. Students registered data has been displayed by the red color bar. We have got graphical data about our report. If we want to edit the chart, select the chart and click on the three dots and choose Edit Chart. You can see the chart editor box appears on the right side of the screen. We see two tabs, Setup and Customize. From here, we can modify our chart. We can choose what kind of chart we need from the drop-down list under the chart type. Let's change the column chart to line chart. This looks better, isn't it? Once we have chosen the chart type, we can have many customization options to format our chart. Let us now explore. Under the chart style, we can choose and change background color, choose font style, and chart border color. Under chart and axis titles, we can choose the title of the chart and rename it. We can also add and change font size, and text color of the title. The Series tab gives you options to format the lines available here in the chart. All these formatting options will make the chart much more representative. Let's try to change the chart type to a column chart and see how it looks. There we go. Now let's try choosing this option, switch rows and columns together, including the other option. There seems to be a change in the way data is depicted now. You can see the year has been changed to the top of the chart. In the previous format, students enrolled and students registered data were shown in year-wise comparison. Now they are being represented with a separate column. Let's reset the layout. Go to Customize and select 3D checkbox. This gives a different look to the chart. Do explore all these options. Thank you.